sign abamonai so. And then some you know, and I had nam, and some no a pepe. Kennedy Japan, eda so a bitter eye, or a bitter pa. If you also near call, say dear, who call the street of Ghana, sabio, Ghana for Ankasa, and their personal economics. About kwanya nsem amamuo no faso koso Ghana mamu ene Ghana for boys na omo a ena omoda mo ho economist omo chirechire niam mu omo ye comparison na nado aban ene John Mahama aban boys na eye we nyina kire the way that the NDC has scammed people ene ababeto abonten pefe say NDC is not ready to pay the nursing and teacher training allowances. Omabeka, Yebekasa Afenyo so ho. If you also are Bank of Ghana say wa pocket 2025 for enche or the barber tuja. Yebeka no so ho asem. If you also are na Asia, I entokwa asi ewo ho. That is US, any Iran, ako bombo enkrofo binom omukrom. I no so yaseme ewo ho pa na ma no suntia patrobo kosoro enam so ama Mahama sha ase aba bonten abeka se de ekoso ewo Iran for omo ekuro no mu no any Dubai nsensem no bomb na America for etoto no ebetim ni nsunsanso aba Ghana man ene Africa man so Mahama na okasa asem we yefru anama show wo me de ene said the price of crude and oil na ye kan wan say no petrol and diesel said the ne bo no AC ekoso ewo wiase amansan edwaso na ma kirewo before ansana Mahama ba bedi akonwa na the price of crude oil on the market if you are na say ye de bibia ba na wie na atiefo nso pese o mon join a amonso omo atumi ajoine akire won anuma seba na say won adwene efade hedi ebremu ene ehai bidin ya ni Mr. Mafo high ras media GH your live ewo YouTube mention so say more than like video no share ma me I like video no share ma me comment na won subscribe to this channel so na wa subscribe na don satiano asi bell no so say the be ya me ba live pe ubenya notification say ma ba na oni me nyina abeche eniema no afa abusia me watrasie biem ye nwura nsem num asem ben na asie abusia me dikamba ha ebeka ne wo ha se mi ankasa mi bra panyini I'm a senior man Kennedy Ohene Agyapong. Kennedy Agyapong is still bitter na me de ene me be kansem bi na mape advice kakra e de ma Kennedy Agyapong na ensem no mesha sia free baby na me de kosi baby na wo de yemebɔ nwura nsem num na yeni nkomo kakra anse na be kɔ nso ma memfa nche akese e ma miwia osei Anthony Kobi Jima ena me maame Esther me sister ba kopɛ Esther K Barima maame me tia oye pa Kobi Jima miwia me tia oye pa so keep the fire burning always na fire must burn them yento aso na yenko yanim abusiamfo yeto abawie yeyi everyone yana yekasa edema Dr. Bawumia wana na omo kasa edema bra chempon omo nyina obia edi etuo akotwiri dan mu ewo mu say yenye radio houses yenye television stations bebre eye media platforms ahodo amanfo abie yede obia de kasama ne candidate are not prefer during the primaries but yet to abai wie ye wana no mo kasama bra chempon Dr. Bawumia yewra yaw adu se twim ena ya ankasa ye bra panyini ba akopɛ ya ankasa ye bra panyini ba akopɛ kwabena agye Agyapong obibia in his conscious obi anadwenem ne ɔte ase de ɔdwene baabi ɔdwene koduru ɔde adwene koduru aka sɛ de na yɛ pɛsɛ yɛ nyɛ no ya awie enti ehu hia sɛ bia yɛbɛtoa so na yɛ personal attack on various platforms na yɛgu so kasa te sɛ de nyɛ MPP for pɛsɛ wode w'ani to fam temi yie pa na wohwɛ the side of Kennedy Agyapong a nke yɛ me say there is something wrong somewhere ɔmo deɛ ɔmo sɛ ɔmo nte sɛ dogo bi no na bɛ ɔmo deɛ ɔmo sɛ ɔmo nte sɛ yɛato aba na wie ama obi awe ɔmo sɛ ɔmo deɛ ɔmo nyante kura mpo sɛ MPP for dodoɔ no kyerɛ sɛ Dr. Alhaji Muhammad Bawumia na yɛde no ɛkɔ ɔkon kɛseɛ no 2028 enti almost all the platforms are na ɔmo de campaign ma Kennedy Agyapong amanfo gu so a kyɛ sɛ afɛdi mpo na ɔmo ahyɛ campaign ase atemudie MPP ho efi guo entro enkontompo entwantoso nsɛm ma asabio NDC for kran kam fam MPP ho enkrofo no gu so eka na yɛse sɛ adwen sɛ ɛbɛpra a ɛhyɛ ase firi ne tim second nkrofo na mabonten yɛ de ɔmo yɛ yi na ɔmo yɛ no in peacefully without disturbances sɛ ɔmo yɛ de ɔmo yɛ yi with can I say in freedom of expressions and speech na sɛ Kennedy Agyapong entumi enkɔlo the end of those things a brapanyini sɛ de meka yɛ no adwene no ɛbɛyɛ dan ɛbɛpro a ɛhyɛ ase firi na pampam ne ti no ɛna ɛhyɛ ase dan ɛpro because every leader biana na se nipa biana abato no nsunsuanso eso nani na oje tum se yes makoko madin kukuo marene biano this moment this time enko be friend nkrofo nyina enko be friend nkrofo nyina ayedan aka kire won se ya to aba na wie ene na anya ye de ye di nkukuo ochena bi bewo ho enti bibia atwem ma wadwendwene enka otim na so twa wani ehu enema bi a eti sei bi ken ene ne nkrofo no enkasai ayese papa ni nyante ne ho ase se ware man mo bi nka se me kofa asem nya ase na me kofa babla ma me sister wo hwe me wi panyini me wi ba me wi aketo a wo hwe me nya asem na me kofa ba na yese ye de yo na wanka ye de yo da ade na ekoso in the media space no and some Kennedy Agyapong campaign team, so especially on the social media platforms. When you move fast or more to MPP home still no. Say no kura pass Kennedy Agyapong say or ye democratic or determination majority carry the vote. So GD papa no enka wape bibi ayo ama nkrofo agyae kasa e wa mansan tentan no so se no krepa se papa yi eye kabi mami nka bi nipa a oji tumu se e fa dodo no ene make decision a enka waje ne ho atuma afre ne nkrofo mo kasa wo media no ma ya ye de ebe ya wie na omogu so toto sabio MPP mpanyinfoɔ adehye binom ho poano enka obɛfrɛ wɔn aka so so ɔmunya de ɔmoyɛ no but still yɛnhu saa adeɛ no bi mfiri Canada Japan ne side hɔ na unim deɛ ya akwati sɛ deɛ sabio papa we ya na ɔsi ɔwɔ sika no the way I all react no I had to say ɔno nko na ahwɛ sika abusua woyɛ MPP ne atie me ɔmo ko gyina so ɔmo ko contest ne bia no obia bɔ kapapa by portion obia boka in terms of balancing of the wealth of the person no obia boka yie pa de me pese men kire ne se second boka 5 million and then the level of money and obetumi anya de investment according to onu ni sika owo ye were kobra de Japan e boka 3 million Oboka 3 million because saa sika na obetumi anya de ye a sponsor the campaign enti omo kwa ni nyina bia boka enye Canada Japan kwa na aboka omo nyina bia boka enti my question is adenti ankaifo no nyina oponka omo abote so no ne ka wabɔ no omo agye omo ho atom ate omo ho ase na omo kondo to omo te se party ma na ken ene ne nkrofo still a omo so omo aboka bra manwene se ba omi amoka o Dr. Baomi aboka yie pa Dr. Baomi aboka yie he is the only candidate oko every constituency in the country asempa na meka chiro no Dr. Baomi onye MP onye former minister doctor bra oye campaign no na onye de bay party executive bi ana party chairman ana party secretary bi oso okope president yadi no onye chief of staff na oye former president of the republic as it any say otune toa sikasu because a former president was standard and no moon was some fun to kwai onye ni paketu bi said and then another koba bia by law and by security purpose ntino nyeka ba ko no denam sa na yura ba omi aso no because of the role we play in the leadership of the country ntino or koba bia the security eye law eye mra awuntumi emuso and the doctor ba omi anso abok obi aboka so the fact so obi aboka na papa kensi ono de onti ne ho asese se bio wakọ election na wawe na eno nti wagya mani nwan binom ne moa binom ne nkrofo binom omoso ombegu so agu party na nim ase no ento asum ene na kire second in Japan still bitterness wonimu minya be mai if to be honest, ye can ye pa. Say after election pa. Say ye be mo go say sabio kwaya ye fa so ye campaign no after election. Ye revival yan kasam fansema amanfo ka ye ho a Canada Japan ho nsema nke beka ne kwa nke be fa so atizi Canada Japan supporters niema amoka ye ne nsema amoye niema amoye kwanya amofa so conduct mo ho can we could have teased you for the rest of the whole time but we are matured enough. Say it was about one thing, and that thing it is done. So there is no need to attack one another. But still, enkrofobrum daso timidia no more mudin semfo, which is not fair. Enkrofobrum timidia no ma omo from who MPP for no more kasadi tia MPP amanyoko no. Adentia omo second, adentia omo see the base. Mo base no emezi base the enka ye side. Base the downtown and ye ba bi ekoye hu yie. Me yamba mi ma wo hweme. Ghana ma me kese base ya. Base and then hefa. Base the enka ba bi ye den. Ekoye ye hu yie ne aba krom ne ye ni so ye kran. Na koti political party na mani dini mamia osi yefere the base. Ye kwashe. Mu base no, yese ye shi ewo ho. Eho na ye behye. Enya juma. Na ano na meka. Enkrofo binom kope pressure mo akwa. Abra ho hia. Don't believe in that. Entimi nya juma. Me say ene ameno kase. Enkrofo bi no omodwane free MPP party no omodwane say they are going because they are bigger than the party. Ene ameno kase. Oh. Abusiam for audio no motemi nkaka ma de. Se mo mami hu se motemi nkaka ma. Ami esa motemi nkan ye. Because I'm say sound no me say Emma Maxwell I mean tell her. Enti asomana meka. Enkrofo bi no omoye omadwen say omo ko because they believe say they were bigger than the party. And they are begging to come back doors. And today we want to play mature game. We want to play a mature game. A mature game now you play and say we are considering everyone as a party member. We are considering anyone as a party member. But don't take advantage of that to disgrace our party. It can't work. Yato abana wia, yato awie. Yato ya no di obenya ena wunya ye. Obia yesi de wabom wado ena kire wabomu. Wado ena kire wabomu. Enti asi na de yeti de mu ye. Kwanya mafaso a mo pese mungu MPP party na ni mase atemudie enipa ho seye entro enkontompo we ena legal deal ena baumia ye say you are MPP people, why are you doing that? You see, breed is accepted, breeding is accepted, but hatred is not accepted. You can eat your eggs. Untimi enni unkosua. Na umdwene so benya akokọ ochina. De moye ne no. It will affect all of us. Muntwa so na yanini. Yakoko akona akoyiye. Obia adinkunim party na adinkunim. Moma ye mera fene enye adwuma mom. Ne yankọji nkunim die mfa mera party no. De ye me ya ne se. Nanado danko akufo do be de echi Dr. Bawomi na ono ne kita franka no. Odi nkunim no. Ne kasayem. Ne nantiem na diyom. Kwanye ofaso posture ne ho. Kwanye ofaso ne party for interacting. A sign of unity. Where we say na fair. When some steka kan fa Dr. Bawumia ho. But that Dr. Bawumia din kunim steka shata de fufoko ni fie kwachi anoma. Dr. Jina wa too. Dr. Bie na no kanchire MPP for say. Tumi no nkwaji ama ne hu na okwaji di ama party no. Enti papa we. Kwaya wafa so a oton ne ho de kire yen. Kwaya wafa so a okyere said the MPP sunu ne ban city e wa abonten. Adenti a ya ye wo party no. Na party na aboa yen. Wama yen so. Wama ye babia gina pen. Yen tumi nka ye humbom baako. Just for the name and for the respect of the single ideology, he nyina ewo yentam. Senka Dr. Bawumia di sabio odi kan wa kan sie mu na nke bia wa ye ne ho se bia me na mawene so nobody is important. Eno no nka we could accept that. Se bia e wakwa akuru kan sie na walusu na watwe ho se wadwa. Na papa yi wini wie ye. He tries to make it clear, say it is for the party. So what else? What else at all? Dear Pana Mohisha, Stella. Since the Kromasha said no king, no vote. Since you are to Abana, no. Omasha see or more train no king, no vote. Na way esefata. Na adiane ya meya. The enti ana me kasa asem we me I don't want to me pese me de me sebe kwa ko krom. Ete ya meya pa. Se party ye nyini ya. Omo suni omo ban how intellectual they are. Kwan omo te ne ma se adwuma pa omo ye de ma oman. Ene ye nyina enyini ya yedikodi party achi na no behwe se party anano adala trama titimi tu na num ka kire MPP fo mpanfo nanado se ono yemma nanado nkope before he comes. Party yeti e ho ase, party yetumi get it to a point we understand ourselves. Kwe kwanya nanado ne je ekufo their promise say na mu esi ehye enso nanado and you Jekufo. Since Jekufo when Nanado became the campaign manager of Yura Jekufo. Now I have party in him say we go to premise. But anytime after premise, we join hands together and we win power. Nene. And now Sabio Mahama. Oba ya. Obubu ne pa. Chrono the other bat tina no na was signed the bar and then na yebegu ehun anim ase say enye me a ense dabi Kennedy Agyapong bitterness is accepted, but he must work on it to get out of it and come back fully as a MPP party member, senior member. I accepted say oh yeah better. He accepted say bibi enko man worry enokre ebe how. But that should not and shouldn't ever avoid Kennedy Agyapong to get back to the party and join Dr. Bawumia to work together and win power for the party. Not Kennedy on hen on kasanchen in crofon kran. Sa small boys na omonte politics ase na omodie stomach direction enkwasi akeka nko an omso ombeka no omfro mo no ntu omfo na omunya jimie na yato aba na wie bibia atwam the obeka ne bia it doesn't make sense any value. We are ahead. We are preparing for the stronger battle. That one against the NDC 2028. And then who here And the base Ghana ye the idea. Base eka Ghana my mo because me ko base ya and he fan na oko. Ye kwoshe ye koye fan ya bakrom. Na munya sa ye kwoshe no ye ko base no munya sa ye kwoshe no. Na monka nkan ko nsem development in freedom MPP na yenya juma na yentum koje enkunim di akonwa no emra fie na fie enye de enti wei any advice ya meme wodi makene de Japan the bitterness na ewo ni mo no it is accepted but he must to gain back and talk to those dogs on the street enkrofo na omotimi dia no ma omoki kan sem fond TMPP amanyoko in the name of Kennedy Japan no Kennedy must to work on them and make sure he tell them to stop talking because they are destroying the image of the party. Meeting any Mr. Mafuha, Ras Media, GH. Measure say like a video no, na share mame. I unsubscribe and so no subscribe. Unsa asi adomano so. Say the beya me bad life be the first person when your notification say my bad life. Now I be prepare wabana menu nyina adi jumadie no kama mana ayefe. Amenu musu. Yes, I'm back in the game. Abusian for John Mahama yes scammer. John Mahama yes scammer. And this ya buying be a yakuhifu buying. Asema mekani say, I believe and I know by fact and by reality, by I see. Say, enkrofo mutu abadima NDC nyina. Ene about 70% omo 70% of enkrofo omo share that kwasan lie the 6 million kwasiafo. Sa 70% no omo because when we say Mahama's coming into this election 2024 no campaign message eto Ghana fo asum omodi gina so to aba de dimu pa a creation of jobs. Adia manfo di gina so to aba de ma John Mahama 2024 election way na a creation of jobs. They made it became like say kwanyo obefa so obe create nyuma ma manfo anya biaye no eye by a stick, magic stick uye ni say ya na nyuma na bie. They were able to convince Ghanaians say Ghana ni bia otifia uni adwuma ye bia no nipa enam ne so ama unya adwuma ye ene Akufo Addo enti tan MPP. We heard say Sami Jamfi eba abontene be kan mpre bebre Akufo Addo aban tima eden ene nti a uni adwuma ye. Sam George be kan bi John Mahama na nkasa kan bi Fifi Kwete kan bi ase dunketia kan bi omo nyina se se wote Ghana mamu na wonni adwuma ya kai hu se adwuma a wonni bi nya no eye Akufo Addo aban na tim odren tie na adwuma a ye fe na adwuma wonni bi ye enti se wotie kwa omo fa so omo ye omo campaign na their center message message titiri a na ekita omo anu ntia na omo ye omo campaign na omunya mabunu edi omo achi ni se omo se omo be ma enyuma abuso e wo Ghana man miwia Daniel po ama me mo akwaba omo se enyuma ye friend enyuma jobs ebebuso enam so ma hama kaya ka se odi akwanya bi ba ye friend 24-hour economy adwuma bia ba bia nipa ba kugina ye adwuma enipa miensa ene be ye adwuma wo ho because ombekọ ne shift ai omo sha ase ka 133 se 311 ye nyina ye ka ye pa enti se utie nsem a me kan nyina na okeka boma obviously the main campaign message that these guys brought into the minds of Ghanaians NDC for supporters yankasa because enyam people for na koto abade ma NDC for sorry waka ekoto abade ma omo nipa John Mahama because also be ma omo nyuma but the enkwasi for 6 million no free and say aban emma juma ye kan ye omo se enye no kore enkwasi for 6 million no na omo we free say aban betra konwa mu a appointment obetumi ama aban appointment ankasa direct appointment ay 7,000 omo we free say abanye juma no ye kwa koyo a ye de nkrata na koyo ye de certificate na kopa abanye juma ye omo we free se o kopa abanye juma ya nye ya no na de ko ye kopa juma no na mom o se unya krata bi e bo abodin se unimade we ye ansa wanya bia ye omo we free sa de no enkwase for 6 million no free say omo 6 million no nyina no ye ntimi mfa omo adwuma mane o enye yie e wa aban mu omo we free because ye convince omo say e was aban ntimi mfa Ghana ni bia adwuma enti omo de koye den ekoto aba e de ma John Dariga Dramani Mahama abusu ene ani that's one boys ni nya ye omo de koto aba no e wo the creation of jobs aye ya mutu budget mi ye pa ani that's one nkrofo de koto aba said John Mahama banti obefa omo adwuma ama omo anya adwuma ye bi no omo anya adwuma ne bia ye no aye ya mutu na de essay asem no kura ne se so na no omokoye na no the state of the nation address no omokoye na no Mahama koye no parliament se ye nyina beka ya Hiwura Mahama ko kan se ono no according to information okura Ghana for 1 million and omo anya adwuma ye in 2025 na papa ne kan sa asem no onim se otrega amanfo ema amanfo ebufu ye pa because enipa 6 million na omokoto aba edema John Mahama no they were expecting say that employment slogan na Mahama de baye no enka beturo mu nyina omoso na NDC for boys no they were believing say nka Mahama tena konwa mu a sa asem na e ka kire omo Omo to aba ni nyina no 6 million and 6 point something million. And omo to aba de ma John Mahama. Omo nyina kwa abonten ko to aba because Mahama promised a job. And na enra Mahama kan say no according to him Ghana Statistics Service almost say Ghana for 1 million per and in year Juma 2025 no sa asem no de akra na ma boys ne omo puafu kra say hey the whole year 1 million per and otimi for more Juma abra ye more than 6 million na da ben ne bedru yen so afei boys ne wo hwa na ade we abeto abonten say 1 million na Mahama ka na enye nokre na mbom na 330,000 oh and then boys ne dwakora say enti enipa 6 million na mo be da yen say ye meto abama mo na mo ba mo be ma ye adwuma no 1.5 year is almost on. And any poor money juma yen 330,000 there. And your mubisa Mahama say tabe nebedru sa the rest of the 5.700 and something thousand. No tabe nebedru omonso. When you lie, time will catch you. So din tra a brecho. So Jawanum edit to me on saka to me no funo to me no a proposal to me no to me ni and I'm no say NDC guys are angry in the street because the job promise na ye maya no kwaya ye fa so create impressions bi say adwuma beba kuronum no kwanya ye fa so create impression be said the teacher and nurses omo adwuma kwanya ye fa so mana ba be krabehwe fefefe bi no sane mani bia no and the Ghanaians are not seeing it and they are not feeling it. I was saying you nko and a Ghana for boys ankasa omo adane omo ho economics, simple mathematics, common sense, common know-how, mathematics, and a boys in the end was street in so. Listen to this. Tia.
Minia your first thing.
Oh, your friend super do ma di ne den obi elim se fam ya super. O ma ni nyina super na enem.
NDC ni MPP. Minia your first thing.
Oh, your friend super do ma di ne den obi elim se fam ya super. O ma ni nyina super na enem.
O ma ni nyina super.
O ma ni nyina super ba ko pe enem.
Okay, super. NDC ni MPP. Omu de yin na aboa Ghana pa.
Oh, yeah, shed ya make us say MPP.
Then MPP.
O share social intervention policies amodi aba.
Social intervention policies
amodi aba. Aboa ma ni nyina.
Obi be ka say social intervention policies no ebi ni den.
One. O show man pay for time o man pay for buy no. Or the BB to say health insurance buy. Oba ko wa na e free. Akola e ko school hu ko for buy say na ya for the yan social school atale.
Hey, ampa,
untwase. Oba ko we free. Wa wo no akola so ase school atale on am no so atale e free.
Bibia e free.
Bibia na e free. So what they make say aduane nyina na bibia ofom. E ko for kura na nka akokoko e dey so benya akokko awe.
Ampa me so me we those days.
Oba dey nton kwa mpa so what they make say. Sanity e. You go for e dey so benya akokko.
Say enye we nkwa na obetimi dey classify say and which say MPP are better than NDC.
I'm saying try the back. I'm saying try say omo better than NDC say. Abra Professor Messi Bayano. All boss obey health insurance. What you say? Also obey oya no once awunye biem. Ba bra obay na ye hu say ade no. Still health insurance the koya na say ye biem. Ye hu ankoso bibi ama. What you say? Ba osho man panya wo twem koya Kufuado. No bia say Kufuado emu ode. Ba anya hwe kwa no kwala bebre ko school na ye free. Free no mo koya no mo ntwa hwe o. Me fie me offer so for be 45 omo nyina ko school. Me think yet me frame say unya send the kakra bra offer school fees. But sade ne ba sade nyina to twa me hu biem. Mentwa say scan biem. Ye be say
so super can pro.
On economic job me twa to obody ni me dance ni. Me so obody from. What you say economic kwala no wo twa hwe de yeso fa kakra bra no ye fa to no ma. Fa kakra bra odi bedidi e no na ne de ko. What did I make say?
Ba tete mo MPP de mo ya di bebre say. But say dollar na NDC government new current government we. O ma tete dollar so ma nyama aba from lorry fe bibia.
Me de pass o kan dollar say. What you say? Dollar ya ye kan. E ku for the time dollar no eduane ya ko 17. Na e te ba ya ba 14. Omo ko na 14 cedis. What you say?
E bi say 17.
Omo ko na 14. Dia minimum na 14. What did I make say? Aha. But dollar na some na ya kan me no nyina e okromia oto ade me so me to ade dollar eye 14 no ana eye 17 no na okoto berakwa na eye 3 cedis bottle water no na active na no so eye 5 cedis and active ya 7 cedis abda dollar no ye say aba from no active ya 7 cedis but first na osoro na active eye 5 cedis
obi ama me signal say say wo boa say o perfume no ya tete so perfume be example
I make sure ade ba ko super de obi eni me say super we
super wuton
me ye dealer me ye full dealer and I'm start on perfumes what you say the time so am the perfumes no ko rounds perfumes way perfume way so to them make perfume way first no e ku for the time no ye for perfume way 20 cedis
20 cedis
Ghana cedis what you say near the age 25 cedis say dollar na ba for mo opa ko kan so ko twese say no e 27 cedis near 30 cedis it is a difference abem enya no enya to na me twa obo ade anim kura na make opa ko kan si ne ko ye obi o ye interview bia buso bia
first person now when we 20 cedis
near the age 25 cedis now so nya 5 cedis you say dollar na ba for me you say we 27 cedis near the age 30 cedis ntimi nya you say dollar na ba for no eh empelifo na efili na say ne nam street nso na efili
ba bisa samu
wa mu na efili ade esi ebusa say akufo ado tabuso obi anam obi ase akufo ado ta ade ane ye to ne say ye nto sa bie benya
nti say dollar no ayese no say yetiti nyama so na eba for ma obeka say NDC aye papa say MPP ana
say enoma na eba for ma ayo man pay na say dey ye so ye no
kure
na say dey mentimi nganja so aya ade so man pay metima bona ba so aya ade a ye say kane akosoro to power ma dollar no afete light na light na platform te do gan ekufo do yes obia entua school fees no efia bia mu nyamfa so te say man pay metima bona ba so a o maka ne anya free ofie bia m gan nyina efi light eye free a ye nyina say ni beje ne hu so no so ba wa ye bibi na aka so wa ye kwan dollar ba for me di dollar
obi ama me signal say wo kasa as MPP nya na so kasa say Ghana ni
me kasa as Ghana ni ye nyina ye to ma animu because if Ghana ni what you say MPP no oba o ma me hwe NDC no oba o ma me hwe ba na medical ka cho so hwe no ma ye toto yi and you got to say you got to Kufuor do so na dollar no e was so you got to 3 cedis and you got me to be you got to ba ko say 4 cedis 50 pesos ba ko say 5 cedis
so betimi aka say you got na every 1 cedi 20 pesos na ko do 3 cedis
and you fa kwesi say every kwame nkrumata me na ya say minya ya kwesi say every kwame nkrumata
minya o say for say
super mani nyina super madina nyina super
so
mani nyina super na enemy okay say na ntu nkwa na
mi da asi
I wow jejeje say the boys na and the economics no e wo the street no say e hihie obi e o dum so ahyase wo Ghana man ene Accra 4 days ahead of Accra dum so pure ewia Moses odro me mo akwa ba bia dum so why ye can mo $1 above from ye can mo inflation abo above from adeɛ so yɛkɔ sɛ kɔtɔ nneɛma wɔ abɔntene ne boɔ no soro ana ɛkorɔ na I thank all diasporas moayɛ adeɛ pa obi amfa sika nko project a moyɛ nyina mo nso spend it because that artificial manner na ɔmo $20 ɔmo $20 na beto form no and reflect it on the market enti kɔpo waya na wokɔtɔ akɔ waya wo dan a ne boɔ na akɔ soro enso the dollar no kɔ fie sɛ wokɔsesa de akɔtɔ kɔpo waya wo dan a masa sika na te aba fam na de ɔmo yɛ no ɔmo ntimi maintain unim de ɛya ne sɛ wei ɛyɛ yɛka ne sɛ otwafo America yɛ saa na yɛka ne deɛ bi otwafo America na yɛka wɔn ne hyɛ ase antentem hɔ no gidigidi paa within short time na wa collapse na ɔda fam ebi na ndisi fo yɛ yo saa dollar na ɔmo atwe aba fam artificially a ɔmo atɔn Ghana gold reserve ɛwɔ hɔ no 50% no just in 1 year to maintain the dollar. Just 1 year to maintain the dollar from 14 to 10 now. Say 10 or say 12 no more year ho adwuma no. Say 11 soon. Omo aton gold reserve na yede about 68 years na atwa gu ho no. Omo aton mu half just 1 year. Enti bisa ho say half na aka no. Ayere so a how long can it keep them? Enkopenda ben ombetumi ayusu saa sika kakra na anka gold kakra na aka no akoton ede akɔgye dollar begu hɔ na dollar bo aba fam ayere so another 1 year asempa na America no they cannot maintain nti de ya no enti enese ukura usika bi na wo ye project bi Ghana man mu na wo prepare wo ho de usika no kwa bra and be within 1 month time within 2 months time na wa hwede sika. Because from here, Odiam fan is even from 12 to 10 and 70, no. $1.30, no. And yes, you on maybe 20,000 euros or so. And maybe on even on 1,000 euros or so. Says can yes, you now I heard it. And crofo munimamamu or munimamamu. And 2 year bugger now will seek a person find your projector. Don't send your money home. Udu sika kwa within 1 month, 2 months. When you pay also no. Now I heard it say 50,000 just because of this artificial gold wine and subsidizing our economy. Yeah, the exporting, production, and yeah, the reduce. Your friend is saying dollar rate krum money is stable. Me yakufia chempo me mwakwa pa. So one for production and $10 and my form. Now so would the gold in a $10 above form. It will not affect the market. Agnes Buaben or say, please don't talk about doom so. Ghanaians love doom so. So why are you crying, Ghana? I heard that honor. I'm going some aquaba. Who sika bi dababia masamfa nkofio. Don't take your money home. Keep it here. Wodi nyantobasia ma ho. O dan no anse bia ensinsuo man so betwa faso. No anse enye emergency bi na ya ade bi obetimi atwen bra atwen. Wan twen a mahama aban wei ebehye usika. Usika bi o person fanko ye mpuntujuma bi fanko ye ka o capital bi ekitaw enkrofo we behye no because of animuhwehwe because of ye kokan kire Ghana for say dollar na ba form why is not even it is not affecting the market itself enema bo sura na eko yenwie na o ka kire we aban we na fere John Mahama ban na yenko ye nima busuamfo na yento aso yenko ye nim na ye expose John Mahama Yeah. I am say we head down we yesu a dan fefefe we yesi ho ya. A Bank of Ghana building. Now dan we wa hu. Na na do dan Akufo Addo ba bia wo bia Nyankopon enhyira. Onhyira pa no nya okese. Wo boy adwuma de magana man. Na se nya magana man na sabio yempa de pa. Ne hu ade pa na ya twe ho. Edan we na na do dan Akufo Addo ne Bank of Ghana government then. Eye wona adwene se omobesi Central Bank of Ghana. NDC for child na do adapa. NDC for year demonstration. NDC for year che they had demonstration na yakojira dan na si twa video say come dia manfo. Enipa yam come de won. Enso Bank of Ghana is Central Bank. Ye the campaign man kwasia 4 million G2. Ene akofifo we buy ene ho no mote. A bank no na omo ka ho asem no. Ehọ na the actual bank governor of Bank of Ghana ene ehọ no tie. Dan ni sadan way a legacy building. A legacy building. A incredible building. But you see, so ni akuni kohwini ewo bibiyo a eya twe ye kaya ye moa. Se ye nyina ebe kaya bra ye wura je kufo ye na dwene se obesi Jubilee House. And this for ye the same thing. Asi dun kete asi Jubilee House ye nkukobuo. Enso ene ho na mahama te eho ena do mahama ba first time okotena ye. Ba bi ofura konwa so ye call ye na akwetehye ena age ho afa no. Babia mahama bedi akonwa wie ya ye call ho na konya akenkotoa be ya aduasa oha ene aduasa ena na egu ho no. Saa dan no abra na yesi no NDC went out to talk and to tarnish the image of Jubilee House. But ene ehọ na omotie. Jubilee House dan no one of the biggest legacy of Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo Addo. Edan ni ye. Ye tumi nante John Mahama tumi nante ekọ America no akogina efra ye kan say efra squares efra osen o. Ne watwa picture so gira bro santenten mu. But ye CBS ni kurom no. Enam position na ope say president o Ghana ntino. Otumi kata na ni soma ne nkwase afo so omonkoye dede say edan wei krono ewo ho edan wei anado di wia Ghana fo emaye nsi dan wei because Ghana fo bi no come de wo. Biya nanado de man him he build it. Energy fu betenam. Omo betenam no. Just in 1 year omote office ho no. Omo ankasa de ababo ntene say omo make laws bi say omo ahwere sika kakraka bi e wo the Central Bank of Ghana ho. Tenipa the Bank of Ghana na friend the Central Bank of Ghana no. This time again under John Dramani Mahama to say last time your financial sector e breaki ya na udu sika kola koto bank ya untumi konko yi no. And then subiem Mahama bresubiem. The same situation is coming to happen. And the Bank of Ghana for now also say omo ahwere sika twitwiri die. And the says sika twitwiri die no omo ahwere no. Bad affect our economic, our the local economy no. Affecting them very well. In fact, now no nkrofo way because they felt to say they were intelligent in Tino. Omo the bill be called parliamentar. And come yo say na omo percent come fan kwoshem say Bank of Ghana betimi atwa sika edema president at any time. But the na ya ne say NDC MPs na no mote parliament ho no. Asem na na ya twere ne wo be nom no. Omo ankasa na omo nte ase. It took Kwajo upon Kunuma. And this is for whom I go forward pa ye already yankopo. Kwamben so pa na it's saying that any papinomuti say it may be the president war. It mean two yan can say to me and also mutuminya a jinabre I enter say it was society. Kwajo upon Kunuma mum ne can't chidam crofon say. Mo de be da ba say yen shine. Pepe na mo de aba no. Say na ya twere ni mu. Na the NDC were there, NDC MPs were there, but they did not understand whatever that was written in the bill. But they were ready to sign. Video no worry pa. Video no worry, but think I'm person video. Nanka muntie. The deputy speaker Kurana no tia kunyum NDC ni no. Ya the bill na ba wakan enso no ntiasie. It took NPP leader, NPP Kwajo Ponkroma to tell them say papa dream na mode ba no ya timwasie. Di enti onko mode sa amra na eko. Enam se Bank of Ghana aboka twitwiri di enti santi no. NDC for want to find a way amobe to me edi ayeden a prevent se beba bonten se Bank of Ghana aboka enti omo pekwam bi su di America akọ print sika edi ababe wurem edi akava omoto ele Kwajo Ponkroma echi won the video no nemuntie omo NDC for no MPs no omo akan be no omo ntiase wo de tie.
Mr. Speaker, I thank you for the opportunity to contribute to the report that has been laid. I want to start off by quoting a statement that was made by the former Vice President of the Republic, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, at the launch of the NPP's manifesto in 2024. Mr. Speaker, he says that, and this is when he was giving an update on the performance of the Gold for Reserves and Gold for Forex program. He says, I'm happy to say that the two policies that helped rescue the economy from the catastrophe in the recent crisis were the Bank of Ghana's domestic gold for the domestic gold purchase program and the gold for oil program. The pilot has worked for a number of companies, some of which wanted to take Forex out of the jurisdiction. We have thus found a solution to profit repatriation without destabilizing our local currency. He goes on to say that, Mr. Speaker, my government will completely institutionalize what I call the Gold for Forex program, even as we intensify efforts to transform the structure of the Ghanaian economy. Simply put, the domestic gold purchase program is a policy which allows the Bank of Ghana to boost its foreign exchange reserves by buying locally produced gold with cedis. And he goes on to talk about the benefits, including the fact that gold will now become the anchor of the Ghanaian currency. Mr. Speaker, earlier today when we met the Finance Ministry, the Bank of Ghana and the Gold Board, we put a question to the governor who was represented by the second deputy governor. Is the policy to buy gold to shore up our reserves, be it in bullion or in forex, new? And her answer was categorical. She said no. Mr. Speaker, it is a matter of public record that in 2021 the MPP administration came up with the domestic gold purchase program, which seeks to ramp up our reserves by using cedi to buy gold and shore up our bullion reserves, or by using cedi to buy gold, trade it for forex, and add it to our.
Yeah, but me a mistake on the video until the man in any case, the I say. Sa picture where you Bank of Ghana has lost a lot of money no. Sa papa na ene oye governor of Ghana no, of Bank of Ghana no. NDC abreso John Mahama abreso 2012-2016. Papa we say Ghana financial sector. Papa we sa papa no say na adisen se hwan no. Oye criminal bia. Papa we before Mahama ba akonwam na ote ni case da court wa ye di na asema kochina tum se wa wi o man sika asay the financial sector of the country. Ena Mahama be say onne wase papa no ho ne asem eno oja na ordinary call Bank of Ghana and na me no ka say abeto abonten say Bank of Ghana abok twitwiri dia ente say enti you know you see history repeat itself. History ankasa hoy e repeat ne ho ye jaye ho ama history I repeat in the very negative way. Kromfo dada no ya san ko hohoro no aye no ogwama e de na ba se oye soro abofo e na wa ba wa san bedupu ye biemi ya na ye pe enche ukọ Ghana so ukọ bank so ukọ koyi usika ukọ ye nya bi mfa ma odi sun enya areho na be kofi yento aso ne nko yanim papa ai na picture we ye Middle East Conference could help African economy. John Darega Dramani Mahama. Meba mamenchia mimi ya wajwani nana tai kwa bina memo kwa bapa. Still we keep the poor as running mate all the way. Amen. Amen. No amen. Sa picture we da ho asama Mahama kenyina ne se ntokwa na ekoso wo Middle East no. Ebetumi di nsunsanso abre African economies. Hey Mahama. Hey. Hey. And DC. Hey, mkrofo yo mu akukodro. Abusha. Ede de ya me no kasei officially. And this ifo ewa adwene. Omo ahyase omo adwene. And this ifo binom afi na adwene. Adwene a ye frɛ na adwene pa. Ebi abeto omo tim. Na wan say ye mu wonu me ka kire ye ka ne wo afidie so da bia sɛ Mahama onye hwe Petro ne bo akɔfom Ghana man mu no entra ho nkese Mahama na ama Petro bo akɔfom yemfa picture we nto ansa na yemra ye hwe ade o ha hwe ade o ha se miya be ma ohwe sa picture we da ho ya we a brand crude oil latest price and chart we oh 3 years na ma indicate wo hai so 3 years from 2023 I say ha February 2026 world crude price fango bo ewa mansendwa so sei na eko won said the people we eko sei na ebai aha when ye pa anado bre 2023 2024 2025 2024 2025 bano emepim ene February 2026 won kwanya patro ne bo eso te ba fom se wo hu aha patro no bo ne te ba fom no na enkrofo no dwene se omo anwene ensane nte nkosuru biem. I don't know why these people are so weak in their minds. When you baby I mean picture boy baby oh me photo yi if you ho and a quad the other side ho. Yes, a quad this side. If you ha and I ban say into where you who say baby a line no one was no a honey a brana and Danko Kufado at Yakunyaso. One patron and a bonus said an AC a costropa 2025 2020 2025 patron bono take off from Pim and a Mahama did new price buyer and a man for near J. Samahama ye Juma or no ma patro bo abafom. Now no yɛda sɔre yɛ a yɛse America ne Iran foɔ de ntɔkwa bi sisi so ɛwɔ Middle East. Enti sɛ ɔhwɛ February 2026 ha yɛ a ɔn sɛ patro ne boɔ no ahyɛ ase a ɛkɔ soro. Mahama baayɛ a ɔsi abusuamfoɔ ntɔkwa na ɛkɔ so wɔ Middle East no ɛho nsunsuanso bɛba Ghana paa. Wahyɛ aseɛ test waters because papa na okotogo ontumi ntwe kokofo akuafo sika ma won because ose oni subsidize bia ma akuafo no saa nso no ontumi ntwe potro subsidize bia enti obeka tumutim na enche bia no patro no ne bo no bekosoro patro ne bo kosoro one cedi no deal live na daso na de ye me won wa ye mesere ne se COVID na a global pandemic hit every part of the world. NDC ni John Mahama ne nkrofo kama yete ase se nana akua afro papa bi mo akwaba. NDC ne nkrofo ka ema yete ase se COVID a China and see and see Ghana memo. So we should not tell them say COVID a bit to many effect on Ghana's economy. But in the Middle East, if we're qua Mahama say sa Middle East in Tokano a bit to me affect the African economies. We are bema. Asem we what can't akura keto akura or say and then what the margarine in the Agorana. Assembling pass room. Say, a dear BC or Babi, and to me, effect. A woman just 1 year ago. And I wonder why I net there. A dear BSC, a Babi, able to me affected the whole entire African economy. Hey, Papa John, and a patrono, may can officially mobiate, and chibia, petrol price, crude price, about rise up to $120 per barrel. Now me research. Me research. Let me go so me research and let me be with them. About be show. Petrol price no. One who said it is likely to go to $120 per barrel. Highest of it can. E kodru hwa kana maimu. Petrol no 1 liter no mobeto atono 16, 15, 14. Just to tell you, John Mahama actually scammed Ghanaians with that comic manner of communication. On your way, it is all about outcome. Every sabio babiba. The echo suo babino. And no one since Answana Mahama ADA. Nye di ono aye. $18 kosro. Sorry, petrol bo kosro no. Ghana for asha ase atoto omo patrom. Amanfo atoto omo patrom den. Petro bo kosro. So people should expect increment on different services. I think say I will end here. Tamoko. Hima Esther, would you like to call? Pacho, if you want to call her, maybe over to me after Asim. Tamko Akra. Mami fa number nam to suna. Mini komo Akra. Enti bra. Sena ye can't tell them say Mahama has not done nothing. The amount for Bunuma ye and Odison Faswa. Nay no crepa. And nekura me who supposed to be a na bibiatre say some filling stations I shall share or more price of diesel and petrol or more to. Now I'm trying to find it. Oh, I'm trying to find it to show. Because some filling stations has already added prices to their fuel. Actually, I would say John Daliga has not done anything. The amount for and a papano, otiho, and odi hon fans. Nanka me hese mka me sebe tumi aka post na. Nanka me de akire to see say Petro ankasa na me no kasa ne bo no apagya kosoro dendende. E Ghana man.
Speaker, if therefore a couple of years down the line our colleagues on the NDC side come to power and they find this policy useful, they don't need to attempt to rebrand it and give it a new name as a Ghana Accelerated National Reserve Accumulation Policy. They don't need to do that. What they need to do is to be candid to the Republic of Ghana and say, we inherited a working program. And probably what we want to do is to build on it. You need candor in economic policy management. Don't try to rebrand it, give it a new name, polish it with some colors, and now create the impression that it is something new that you are thinking about. Mr. Speaker, we asked the government side today what the two pillars of this gold component are. And they told us that they will be using CD to buy gold to add to the bullion, and using CD to buy ASM gold, trade it for Forex, and add to Forex. Mr. Speaker, that is gold for reserves and gold for Forex. You can turn it, you can bake it, you can cook it, it is still the same thing. So, Mr. Speaker, we on this side will support this policy because what they have done is to continue what was introduced by Dr. Mahamadou Bawumia. Mr. Speaker, we encourage them that today's voter is sophisticated and understands what's going on. When you introduced the commitment controls, we have commended you that it is actually a good policy. You don't need to go on with this thing where every time settings. Admit it that this is a program you inherited and you are continuing. Mr. Speaker, the second point I want to make is that what this government has now announced as a policy demonstrates the confusion in their circles. A few weeks ago, this government told us that they were of the view that we had so much gold concentration in our reserves, and so they have sold 50% of our gold reserves and converted it into US dollar-based assets. Mr. Speaker, there are questions about that transaction already, the timing, the scope, and the window with which it was done. And already we have filed motions to have that transaction and then the losses on the gold purchase program properly investigated, without prejudice to whatever the outcomes will be. They have now come back to this house that they are asking for policy approval to go and, among other things, buy more gold to shore up our reserves. Why would you sell 50% of our gold reserves only to turn around a few weeks later that you want policy approval to go and buy more gold? And by the way, at the time they sold the gold, prices were around $4,000. By now, it's somewhere around 5,200. So already we have lost about $1,000 an ounce on the quantum basis.
Remember, your time is up.
Yeah, sempa. Nipa dudu we nyina echi no. The parliament is in the hands of the MPP. Abusia for me don besia breko. Na ya senhia se utie asema ewura afenyama ewura Agyapong kroma kan ya simple. They are copying Dr. Bawumia policy. Omuntumi nka ena omode nam na omoye rebranding. Aban ba kon rebranding bebre. Aban ba kon rebranding bebre. Aban ba kon renaming bebre. Aban ba kon renaming bebre. And this aban omusu ene omoban ene de bechire mo. Midi yani Mr. Mafwe ha Ras Media GH. Meden chiake sema me nana akuya afro mcheo yepa. Nana tai kwabena mcheo yepa. Agnes boa pen mcheo. Mimi ya kufia champo mcheo yepa. Kwejo abrefa. Mimi ya mcheo yepa. Moses Odro mcheo Daniel boa ma mcheo. Mima ame Esther K Barima. Mame mcheo pa Kobi. Na Kobi Jima mcheo yepa mimi ya. Ena mebra panyini Osei Anthony. Mechacha munyina eda munyina ase ene bra munya ya mode ebebo mashidom mede mo besia na yankopon ya adom ochira ba bia meko mefiri hoba na bere wo ma assign ede another episode abremo mede munyina ase ene mo bre until we meet again adios.